Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. Today we are studying new chapter. Yesterday we studied about am, is, are. How to use am, is and are words in the sentences, or yes or no. When to use am is used with which pronouns? I am, I with I. Am is used with I. Then I am, you are. For you, are is used, correct? He, she, it. What is used? He is, she is, it is and they are. Okay, and today we are going to study where to use was and where. Okay, was and were. It is lesson number 14. You can see this page number 22. Lesson number 14, page number 22. Here it is given that look at the following sentences. What is given say here? Look at the following sentences. Two pictures are given. What is given? Two pictures are given, boy and a baby. Correct, one boy and girl is there, boy and girl is playing over here, boy and girl is playing and here boy is singing, girl is singing. Here it is, I was a little child, I was a little child, I was a little child. When we speak of this sentence, I was a little child, that time what we can say that was is used always with one person, one place, one thing, one animal. Understood? Was is used when we talk about one person, one place, one animal, one bird or one thing. Was is used with what? Was is used with a single person, place, animal, bird and thing. When we have to use was is always used for one person. Okay, here it is told that was is used when we talk about one person, one place, one animal, one bird and one thing. Correct? And where is used when? Where is used to talk about more than one person. ज्या वेळेस आपण एकापेक्षा जास्त people या person बद्दल बोलतो एकापेक्षा जास्त, correct ना? More than one is what? People. More than one person, more than one animal, more than one bird, more than one thing. At that time we use were. Okay, where, W-E-R-E, where. Okay, now here it is told that was and were are used to say something that has already happened. Was and were are used to say something that has already happened. Was is used when we talk about one person, place, animal, bird or thing. And where is used when talking about more than one person. Was is used after I, he, she and it. And where is used after we, you and they. Come on now, this is very much important. Pronouns. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Okay. I, we, you, he, she, it and they. Now when we are using these all pronouns, what we have to do? Where to use was and where to use where. Here it is told that was is used before I, he, she and it. And we and you and they. We, where and where. Are you understanding? Have you understood? I was, we were, you were, he was, she was, it was, they were. समझते का? Like yesterday. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is and they are. Okay, I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, they are. Correct? In same way here it is, I was, we were, you were, he was, she was, it was, they were. Have you got it? I was, we were, you were, he was, she was, it was, they were. वर किती शब्दांना आहे? किती प्रोनाउन्सला आहे वरला? वर किती प्रोनाउन्सला आहे? 3. Okay? And was is used for which? How many pronouns? 4. I, he, she and it. Come on, say I. Correct. I, he, she, it. I, he, she, it. I, he, she, it. Okay. I, he, she, it. Are you getting? I, he, she, it. For this 4 pronouns we use was, and we, you, they. We, you and they. For this 3 pronouns we use what? Where. Have you understood? I was, he was, she was, it was, they were, you were, they, we were, you were, they were. Again, I was, he was, I was, he was, she was, it was. I was, he was, she was, it was. I was, he was, she was, it was. We were, you were, they were. I was, he was, she was, it was. We were, you were, they were. Keep in mind this all things, okay? Now here some examples are given. That examples we are going to study. First one, fill in the blanks with was or where correctly. First one, Jacob dash sick last week. Jacob what? Jacob is what? He. मग हीला काय जोडायचं आपल्याला? हीला was. So what is our first answer? Our first answer is was. Second one, I dash sad when Jacob fell sick. Then what? I dash sad when Jacob fell sick. I was. I ला काय जोडायचं आहे आपल्याला? नेहमी I ला was असतो. So our second answer is was. Okay. Third one, yesterday we dash not at home. Yesterday we were. Yesterday we were not at home. Yesterday we were not at home. Fourth one, daddy dash happy when I stood first in the class. Daddy means who? Daddy means he. And मग हिला काय जोडतो आपण? हिला was जोडतो. So daddy was happy. Daddy was happy. So fourth answer is what? Was. Have you understood? In this way we have completed 4 sentences. Now fifth sentence is, fifth one, all my friends dash invited to my party. All my friends were. Friends means what? More than one. एकापेक्षा जास्त असल्यानंतर त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? वर. So what is fifth answer? Were. Sixth sentence is, they dash late to school. What will be the answer here? They dash, they. For they, what will come? For they were will come. So they were. W-E-R-E. They were late to school. And last one, my teacher dash absent yesterday. My teacher, what will come answer here? My teacher dash absent yesterday. My teacher was. So what is our seventh answer? Seventh answer is was. In this way, where to use was and where to use were. When we talk about one person, singular nouns, when we talk about one person, place, animal, bird, thing, that time we are using was. And when we talk about more than one, that time we use were. Then was is used for which sentence, which words, which pronouns? I, correct? I, he, she, it. I, he, she, it. And were is used for what? You, correct? You, they. We, you and they. We, you, they were. You, we, they. You, we, they were. Understood? In this way, I have explained you all 7 sentences, and in this way we have completed our 14th lesson. Correct? There is one picture given. Study of that picture we will do in tomorrow's period. Okay? Thank you.